Motion TV. I am Owojori Olafikayo, popularly known as Ike Olami. Here with me is
Olani Ifeoluwapo Vivian. You can as well call me Ipeculiar.
Yeah, thank you. Here is another episode on feminine swag at Motion TV. Last week we discussed on how to maintain our hair, that is hair maintenance. This week we will be talking on skin care.
Yeah, today we'll be talking on skin care. What comes to your mind when we say skin care? The way we take care of our body as a woman, the way we maintain our body. How regular should we take bath? How should we take care of our face? How should we take care of our nails, both ends and toes? How should we take care of the whole body? Báwo la ṣe lè máa ṣe ìtọ́jú ara wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin? Ìtọ́jú ara wa jẹ́ kókó. So many women, they don't know. Wọn kì í mọ̀ pé ara yìí is very sensitive.
It is very,
so
very
many
sensitive.
things. Káti wá sọ pé ńgbà weather tó yẹ pé òun máa mú wá ti máa ṣiṣẹ́ lọ látàárọ̀ wá ní ó ti rẹ̀ mí jẹ́ kí n sùn jàre.
Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ní wẹ̀. At least ìwọ tó ti ṣiṣẹ́ lọ láti àárọ̀ tó ti nínú oòrùn tó mú kókókókókó ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin ni pé kó wọnú bedroom kó wẹ̀ gbogbo àgùn yẹn kó wẹ̀ kúrò ní ara.
Àti ẹ̀tù jẹ́ kára náà kó ti ṣiṣẹ́ ti ṣe dáadáa.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o lórí mi lórí gbogbo ẹ̀ ó kódà bó jẹ́ pé mọ́tò gan lèèyàn wọ̀ gan ni àwọn ó ní àwọn kankan tẹ́ pé a máa ń fara ṣiṣẹ́ bí a níbi iṣẹ́ ni ó bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ibi iṣẹ́ ó ní AC yẹn náà gan tó bá tún ti ń pọ̀ tó ń ṣe kí n lára òun náà àwọn gbogbo àwọn sweat yẹn ti máa lẹ̀ mọ́ wa lára so ó ṣe kókó ká láti máa wẹ̀ ṣẹ́rí àbíyá wa yìí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ni àwọn obìnrin ò mọ̀ wọ́n sì púpọ̀ tiẹ̀ kí n máa pa bí àwọn ọrùn kó ṣe kí bí àwọn kan fi ṣèkà.
no àwọn ò kì í fárun abíyá wa o.
ó dàgé bá fárun abíyá.
ó dàgé bá fárun abíyá. ó fárun abíyá tó máa já fún rẹ̀ ni ó máa já fún rẹ̀.
kò tiẹ̀ lè já fún rẹ̀ mọ̀dá sísá má wulẹ̀ tẹ̀ mí kò lè já fún rẹ̀ nítorí bó ṣe wà ẹ́ tíran abíyá bá ti pọ̀ jù ó máa ń kó èrí àti ìdọ̀tí dirt máa ń wà níbi
black àti change sí
àti di brown àbí goldish yellow.
orí ẹ pé.
So àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn a ní láti máa ṣe ìtọ́jú àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ṣẹ́rí abíyá okay like nísìnyí báyìí babe mo ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ kan in fact bí abi méjì sí mẹ́ta tí o bá gbé ìdọ̀tí tó ti rùn bí ayé kókó sínú ilé báyìí wọn ò ní mọ̀ ìwọ tó bá wá kí wọ́n nílé ló máa ní babe nǹkan kan báyìí rùn nínú ilé ẹ̀ wọn ò ní mọ̀ wọ́n pé níbo ní kíní so tàbí àwọn gan bá ń rùn gan kò sí bó ṣe máa mọ̀ nítorí ẹ̀ ló yẹ ká ṣe máa wẹ̀ déédéé nítorí èèyàn lè mọ̀ àwọn tó yẹ kó mọ̀ kí mọ̀ bí nǹkan rùn àbí kan òun ní síbẹ̀ wọn lè mọ̀ so tí bá wá déédéé kábíyá sókè tó wá di pé kíní àbí pé òun la ó sọ̀rọ̀ ó fọ́ ẹnu ó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀ déédéé ṣe gbù ó ṣe so gbogbo àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ láyìn láti máa ṣètọ́jú skin wa yìí o.
ó ṣe kókó ọ̀rẹ́ mi kó tí ń ṣe pé àwọn sọ̀rọ̀ pé orí ni mò ń lò adé àgbọn lèmi ń lò lotion ni we are not talking about that but how do you make use of these things on your body báwo ló ṣe ń lò sí ara ẹ báwo ló ṣe ń tọ́jú ara ẹ.
ara sí.
On this episode we are talking of skin care bí a ṣe lè máa tọ́jú ara wa.
ṣe rí nípa orí àtàjẹ àgbọn tó tiẹ̀ tún sọ yẹ.
ọ̀rẹ́ mi please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and
Instagram.
Kindly follow us at Motion
follow
TV.
us.
ó sọ kankan lẹ́ẹ̀kan kí ló fẹ́ sọ náà.
ok ṣé mo ti máa sáàbì nǹkan tí mo sọ ni pé o sọ̀rọ̀ nípa orí. Sórí orí yẹn náà gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni o.
nítorí mi sọ fún ọ pé ká má lò rí ṣé ọmọ nǹkan tẹ̀mí lò ní mi sọ pé ká má lo òrì mi ìdẹ sọ pé ká lo àdí àgbọn àbí ká má bọ báwo ni a ṣe ń ṣètọ́jú ara wa
ṣé òun náà ni mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí sórí òrí àti àdí àgbọn yẹn iṣẹ́ gidi náà ṣe lára fine ó ṣiṣẹ́ fáwọn ẹlòmíì kò ṣiṣẹ́ fáwọn ẹlòmíì ẹni tó pupa nísìnyí bá dédé mú òrì ó máa fi ra ojú nìkan kò tiẹ̀ ní bọ́dà láti fi ra ó ṣeéṣe kójú yẹn nìkan máa dá dúdú kó tó fi òrì ra.
ó máa ṣe pé a ní láti fọ àwọn ojú wa ojú yẹn gbogbo àwọn sweat á ti wà nú ẹ̀ ká fọ̀ kó tẹ̀ tó sọ pé ok nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ lò bóyá o ní scrub kan tó ń lò o ní cream kan tó ń lò ni wá tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ fọ ojú yẹn
kò dé láti bí kó tó sùn o babe ká tún tó sùn ó ṣe kókó fún àwọn obìnrin láti máa wẹ̀ gbogbo àti sọ́lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣùgbọ́n mo rántí pé mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ nípa pé ká tó sùn yẹn ṣe kókó ó máa jẹ́ kí ara tún nà against ọjọ́ kejì láti lọ síbi iṣẹ́ so gbogbo àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ ló yẹ ká ṣe máa ṣe àkíyèsí fún láti máa ṣe o.
We're talking on skincare. Before we delve into the program in details, the topic skincare, how we take care of our skin as a woman. Let's go on commercial break.
My name is Moji Afolayola. You can subscribe to Melag TV. It comprises of music, news, and movies. Check it out.
Yeah, for your fantastic movie, news, music, subscribe to Melag TV.
Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back to our show on Melag Motion TV. Here today, we have a special guest in our midst, an important guest. They want to help us expatiate on the topic skincare.
Madam, can you introduce yourself to us, ma?
Thank you very much. My name is Omoshalewa Shatokbe. I'm the CEO of KM Beauty and Spa. When I'm not a spa therapist, I'm a fashion designer. And I'm a mother and a wife.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We have a few questions to ask you, ma'am, and we hope you
Of course.
give us
Yes, ma'am.
answers to them, ma'am.
I'm very much
Okay,
ready.
ma'am. Thank you. I want to ask, ma'am, please, what is skin tag and where does it come from?
Okay, thank you very much for that question. So skin tag is scientifically known as acrocordium. Yes, scientifically, but most people just say skin tags, and it's usually on the face or on the neck. Although sometimes some people have it under the arm and on the chest, but usually it's on the face and on the upper neck. So skin tags happens when there is extra cell growing on the surface of the skin.
Okay.
So that is when it happens, and most times, although not always, most times it is mostly found in people on the big side, but then you can still find it on slimmer persons. But
Okay,
most times,
people that has fat.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, ma. You said the thing, it grows.
yes, it grows.
As it grows, you said on the face, the neck.
Yes.
What can we use for it? Like, do you have anything to cure it or?
Yes, skin tag is very much curable, although
Okay.
by surgery. I don't let me use the word surgery because surgery sounds big, but no, it's not. It's a very painless procedure. Yeah, it's a very painless procedure that can be done at the spa. So it's not that you have to go to a big hospital. So, but we just call it surgery because it's unlike acne removal. It's not like that. It's still, we call it surgery in our spa, but it's very much curable.
Okay. Those are inherited, because I think it can be inherited.
Yes.
So we can still work on it. Like, those are
Yes.
inherited. You can still work on it. Like, they can still do surgery to.
Yes, and once the removal is done, it's not like it will grow back.
Okay,
It stops
that's
growing.
my point. That's where I'm
Once
coming
once
to.
the removal is done, it doesn't come back.
Okay, thank you. That's
Thank
on
you, ma.
skin tag.
You're
Ma,
welcome.
as a woman, how often should we scrub our face? And is there any natural ingredients like treatment or low?
Scrubbing is one. Scrubbing is, you call it scrubbing, we call it exfoliation.
Exfoliate. Yes. You don't want to.
Scrubbing is one thing that is really underrated in women. People just believe that moti shetan niyen. No, you still have to scrub because on our skin there are dead cells. they are not visible. Dead cells that cannot be taken care of by just taking your bath. So you have to exfoliate at least twice in a week.
Twice in a week.
Yes, but if it's possible that you can visit the spa, because at home ẹ kàn máa lo scrub ni ẹ máa fi scrub ara yín, but if you go to the spa, there are some other procedures. They put it in the sauna, they put it. So if you can do that once in a month, then you can order the ones you do at home can just be once in a week.
Just an additional.
Yes, it can just be once in a week. But if you can't visit a spa, at least twice in a week. And natural ingredients, sugar has always been a very great exfoliator.
Wow.
Yes,
Sugar.
Sorry to shock you. So sugar and honey mixture together. Sometimes you can add turmeric if you can, but just even ordinary sugar, just use sugar on your. But if you can't, there are very ready-made scrub that they are very, very affordable that you can get at cosmetic shops or supermarkets.
Okay, because we're talking about the natural one, so
Yeah.
sugar
Yes,
is still okay.
sugar is okay.
To scrub.
Yes.
our body.
Please, for the sake of the viewers, can you please, the sugar aspect, the scrub aspect, can you please tell us in Yoruba, like, so that people that are not
One more.
familiar ahead, so Yoruba lè sọ ẹ mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe gbogbo wa náà ni a lè mọ̀ bí scrub ṣe jẹ́ nǹkan bá
Okay.
sọ náà ní Yorùbá.
So mo sọ wípé scrub a máa ń pè ní exfoliation. So mo sọ pé àwọn èèyàn believe pé táwọn bá ti wẹ̀ wọ́n ti wà okay, irọ́. Tẹ́ bá notice tá bá wẹ̀ tán, tá bá fi towel nu ara, the towel ó ṣì máa ń dọ̀tí.
Ó máa ní ìdọ̀tí bí èrí.
Even though kẹ́ fi kẹ̀kẹ́ gbó ara kò sí tẹ́yẹ fẹ́ fi gbẹ, ó máa ṣì dọ̀tí. Dead cells ni. So to get rid of the dead cells, nǹkan tá máa lò ní pé a máa scrub ara wa at least ẹ̀ẹ̀mejì lọ́sẹ̀, twice in a week. And mo sọ pé natural ingredients téèyàn lè lò òun ni sugar àti oyin. A lè mix ẹ̀ papọ̀, but kí sugar pọ̀ ju oyin lọ. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ lè royin náà, sugar nìkan ó ti tó. Ẹ kàn fi pa ara yín, fi gbó ara yín dáadáa kẹ́ tó wá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wẹ̀.
Okay ma, ẹ sọ wípé kò sí bá ṣe wẹ̀ tó, like bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé èrí kan as in ó sì máa
ó sì máa wà ń bẹ̀.
So kò sí bá ṣe fẹ́ fọ ara wa tó pé a wẹ̀ pé mo wẹ̀ láàárọ̀ mo wẹ̀ lọ́sàn-án, we still need to scrub our body.
Exactly.
Okay.
We need to. It's very, very essential.
Yes, ma. Concerning that, ma, please, I want to ask, is there any special parts of the body that we must focus on? Why probably the time when it has for ojú dáadáa ni o, àbí the first scrub, because la gbọ́dọ̀ scrub dáadáa ju kan lọ.
Bóyá bí ìyàwó alágbọ́dọ̀ máa fojú ní
ṣó pay more attention to.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí mi bí yín padà. Part body yín wo lẹ máa fi sílẹ̀ ǹdẹ̀.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa fọ. Ẹ mọ̀
So-
àwọn míì mà ìdí tá a fi béèrè question yẹn ni pé àwọn míì oh god mo lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ mi ẹ̀ ó láì kó máa take care ojú ẹ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ pé torí pé ojú open sáwọn èèyàn.
Yes.
Ṣé understand? So
Yes.
wọ́n máa wò pé mo ti wẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀.
Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo wọ̀ yìí bá ó ti cover.
Ó ti cover. So
ara.
ojú yẹn.
Ẹ kàn máa wọṣọ tó cover wọn níbi
Actually
ìfẹ́
ọ̀rẹ́ yín yẹn right, because
Alright.
like you said, aṣọ ti cover ara. So tá bá jáde sínú oòrùn does not affect the skin as much because there's clothes on it. But the face is very sensitive. So yes, you are supposed to take care of your face more, but then
Not
take care of
neglecting our
no
parts.
exactly. Some people just face. Ẹ máa rẹ́ lómi báyìí, nǹkan tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn tójú fi máa ń coke tara máa ń fanta.
We are coming to that.
A fẹ́
now.
sọ yẹn.
Because you can't just say
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mà.
ojú nìkan ni mò ń take care and you forget your neck and you forget your àwọn kan báyìí tí wọ́n bá ṣe make up, you can't see them outside because they are doing, although yes you are right, the face is very sensitive, it's very necessary because it's not covered, it's directly exposed to the sun. So you take very good care of your face because that is even where people see first, but at the same time take good care of
So
all the
kò ń
parts of
ṣe
your
pé
body.
ká má tọ́jú ara wa náà but ojú wa yìí náà ṣe pàtàkì
Ó
gẹ́gẹ́
ṣe
bí ara wa
kókó.
náà ṣe
Yeah,
pàtàkì.
ó ṣe
So ká bá sọ pé àgọ́ ara tá a gbọ́dọ̀ pay attention sí pé ojú wa
Ojú
but ká
wa.
má neglect
ara tó
wa
kù exactly.
Ah, ẹ ṣé gan ni mà mo wò pé ṣé jíjẹ oúnjẹ wa dáadáa as in like a healthy food ṣó máa ń help skin wa, ṣó ní any effect lórí maintenance of our skin.
Yes, a lot. You can't just, in fact, most times, when people come for facial, like I'm having acne, I keep having acne, I keep having this, I ask them, what do you put in your stomach? What do you put through your mouth? Whoa. It's not about me doing procedures on you. It's not about me giving you products. I will give you products. I will collect my money. But what are you eating? What are you drinking? A lot of yes. You don't expect that. Momo soda láàárọ̀, momo soda lọ́sàn, momo soda every day. Mo jẹ ẹja dídín, mo jẹ ẹran dídín, nǹkan dídín ni ó kàn máa wù mí. And you expect that you have a nice skin. No.
Okay.
You have to do a lot of water. You have to do a lot of vegetables. Vegetables are underrated. And when I mean vegetables, means like for you I mean carrots. I mean tomatoes. I mean spinach. I mean everything called vegetables and fruits.
I really appreciate it, ma. Question pọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi tá fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣùgbọ́n Sherry lórí agbára tá wà yìí ẹ farabalẹ̀ ma. Question wà tá ti bá yín ṣe sílẹ̀ tá fẹ́ béèrè.
Tá máa béèrè. Torí àwọn nǹkan mi wà tá mọ̀ o. Àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ ní ìsìn pé ṣúgà wúlò yìí báyìí nísìn. Àmọ́.
Ó yà wá lẹ́nu ọ̀rẹ́ mi àbí báwo ni?
Everybody is an island of knowledge.
Yes.
But kí a tó máa continue questions tá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. A fẹ́ sáré lọ fún commercial break.
All right.
Ever wondered what a good time of relief feels like? Or a moment of ease to set your body straight? A little touch of artistry of comfort is just what your soul needs after a long day of work. That is why at Kenyan Beauty Spa, we make it our priority to give your body the pleasure of a soothing relief. With our top-notch state-of-the-art equipment, we give you the skincare happiness that you desire. Located at number 1 Olusegun Oshoba Road beside a supermarket Okelewo Abeokuta, a moment with us is a comforting experience you will never forget. Call 0806 760 2951 to book an appointment with us today. Kenyan Beauty Spa, the best comfort for soothing relief.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà sórí ètò wa, ètò yín Feminine Swag. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí YouTube channel wa. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Melag Motion TV. Yes.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni ma, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ ma. Ẹ má bínú pé I take time mi. Mo fẹ́ bèrè pé best way wo la ṣe lè máa shave private part wa as obìnrin.
Àbí ká bèrè pé ṣé best way wà ṣé ọ̀nà tó ṣe pé style kan wà bí àwọn nǹkan kan wà tá a lè.
Actually kò sí pé nǹkan báyìí la gbọ́dọ̀ lò àbí nǹkan báyìí la gbọ́dọ̀ lò because skin yàtọ̀ sí skin. There are sensitive skin and there are not sensitive skin. But the best whatever kò sí nǹkan kíkan tẹ́ bá lò láti fi shave, even your armpits, your private part, any part of your body, whatever part you are shaving, you must always shave in one direction.
Okay.
And what do I mean by one direction? Yes. Okay. Bóyá mo fẹ́ shave ọwọ́ for example. Mo wá mú shaving stick, mo wá shave báyìí. Ó wá yá mo wá ní kò wá convenient báyìí jẹ́ kí n gbé báyìí. Mo tún wá gbé báyìí. Àwọn nǹkan tó máa ń cause bumps and bruises nìyẹn.
Even for armpits.
Even for armpits.
Àti gbogbo àwọn bí àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ obìnrin kan náà máa tún nírun ní àgbọ̀n náà.
But still, nǹkan tẹ́mi máa ń sọ fáwọn èèyàn ni pé because àwọn kinní yìí there's bí irun ṣe wà lára ó níbi tí irun kọjú sí.
Okay.
Ó níbi tí irun kọjú sí. It only is ẹ̀yin ò lè má lè understand it. So most times it's best if you can you go and do it with a professional. But if you can't at home, you notice ẹ máa wò dáadáa ibo ni irun yìí kọjú sí. Ibi tí irun bá kọjú sí ló máa determine ibi tẹ́ ti máa shave. Ọ̀nà kan náà dẹ̀ ni. So tẹ́ bá ń gbé bọ̀ báyìí ẹ má wà ní báyìí o kò wà convenient mi ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé báyìí àbí ẹ jẹ́ rárá. You go in one direction. And once you go in direction ló máa ṣe ìdíjọ́ pé tá bá shave tán àbí a máa yún wa tó bá yún wa tó wá máa lé ó máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ no. But if you shave in one direction there will be no bruises or bumps.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni ma.
Ma, nípa dark spots like kí ni a lè ṣe nípa ẹ̀? Bóyá ó ní lójú ni ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn míì máa ń ní ara yàtọ̀ sí pé ó lè jẹ́ pé cream or anything yàtọ̀ sí pé ó jẹ́ àwọn birthmark o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni,
ṣe understand?
bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Yàtọ̀ sí pé àwọn birthmark tẹ́ pé wọ́n máa ní
kí ló máa ń fà kí
la lè ṣe sí.
Okay, ṣé dark spots ó póríṣiríṣi. Ẹ mention pé dark spots ojú.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
Dark spots ojú póríṣi méjì. Sunburn, ó lè jẹ́ sunburn ló fa dark spots.
Okay.
And definitely by the name sunburn, get a sunscreen.
Whoa.
Okay.
Tó bá jẹ́ blackhead, àwọn ó lè jẹ́ àwọn tó dàbí pimple. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn pimples kan wà tẹ́ pé ó máa dàbí white. They are not white, but they are black.
Okay.
Those ones are blackheads.
So àwọn people's mi tó bá ta tán gbà mí gan.
Dúdú ló máa jáde
máa
báyìí.
padà-
So tó bá ti jẹ́ yẹn ni, definitely you
Àwọn
need to
àyà náà
go.
gbogbo ẹ̀ àwọn tó bá ní
That one
láyà.
is you need to go see you need to go for facial sessions or you see a therapist.
Tó bá ti ń di pọ́n
for
tí ń
it.
wà
Tó bá ti
láyà.
jẹ́ kó ti ń jẹ́ blackhead.
Blackhead.
But like I said, sunburn yẹn just ṣẹ́rí another thing ní ti tójú yẹn another mistake tí most people máa ń ṣe ni pé ọṣẹ ìwẹ̀ wọ́n máa fi ń fọ ojú.
Ọṣẹ ta fún wẹ̀lẹ̀ sọ yẹ o.
Ọṣẹ ìwẹ̀ kò yẹ ká máa fi fojú because like we said earlier, the face is one of the most sensitive parts of the body.
Yes.
So there is soap for face,
Okay.
there is body soap, there is face wash, and there is body soap. Now when you use your body soap for your face, it is most times it is too harsh for the skin of the face. So àwọn yẹn ó máa ń fa dark mist tone, kò ní wà toned
Okay,
up.
kò ní balance.
Okay.
Exactly.
Become
So
a
it become a
dúdú,
dúdú, it become a
become a
shade.
shade.
And the other reason is sun. If you know that you are usually exposed to sun, get a sunscreen. Always wear a sunscreen before going out. But tó bá yẹ pé iṣẹ́ office, then àwọn dark spots mi tí wọ́n wà tó jẹ́ pé bóyá àbí ẹlòmíì ló dúdú,
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
ìyẹn ló dúdú, bóyá dark knuckles, bóyá dark
Ẹhẹ́.
kìnnìkan. Nǹkan tá a ti mention earlier ni exfoliation.
Okay ma.
Okay, ó máa scrub.
Ó máa
You
scrub
scrub
fún
often,
gbogbo ẹ̀.
and when you are scrubbing you put attention. Ẹ máa mọ̀ pé ibẹ̀ yẹn o, ibẹ̀ yẹn mo fẹ́ ṣe dáadáa, ibi báyìí o mo fẹ́ ṣe dáadáa you.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni mà á dúpẹ́ mà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ a fẹ́ béèrè pé ẹ rí makeup ojú wa yìí báyìí. How long should we wear it? Ìgbà wo ni ó pé ó tiẹ̀ pẹ́ jù o gbé makeup sójú báyìí ìgbà wo ó pẹ́ jù pé kò gbọ́dọ̀ kú sí lójú ẹ mọ́ tó jẹ́ pé bí a gbọ́dọ̀ fọ̀ dànù ni àbá fẹ́ nù bọ́tẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe.
Tí àwọn
How
kan
long
lè
should we
gbé
wear it?
látàárọ̀ bóyá tó
Di
kó ní
alẹ́.
party. No, kó
Bí Alice
ṣe-
bẹ̀rẹ̀
kó
lábẹ́
gbé
tèmi
sùn.
nísìn
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni,
máa
kó
gbé
máa
sùn á gbé
dọjọ́
dọjọ́ kejì. Ṣé ó wà advisable àtọ̀ ṣé
ṣe
àbí?
láti ṣerú nǹkan báyẹn.
Ẹnìkan béèrè irú nǹkan báyẹn rí. Nǹkan méjì mo dẹ̀ máa ń sọ. Number one, how sensitive is your skin? Number two, what is your facial game?
Your facial
Game. Ẹlòmíì kò ní nǹkan kan tó ń ṣe sójú. Kásùn kàjí káwẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni,
Ọlọ́run á
bá a ṣe
ṣe
sọ tẹ́lẹ̀.
àlùbáríkà everything. Kò ní routine kan.
Ojú ẹ̀.
And you know we mentioned it that the face is very sensitive.
Sensitive.
You can't go out in the morning, have sweat, have everything,
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
and then you just sleep like that. You wake up. Ẹlòmíì pillowcase Ọlọ́run ló mọjọ́ tó ti change it last.
Whoa.
Ẹ̀.
But irú ẹni yẹn náà ló wá máa tún wá ṣe makeup. Àwa ní pé kí n má waste owó jẹ́ kí n gbé sùn àbí mo lọ party ní Saturday jẹ́ kí n gbé lọ church ní Sunday. Okay.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni.
Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní gùn. But normally without any of those things, normally you can actually carry makeup from morning till night if your facial game is on point.
Okay.
And if your skin is not sensitive. A kàn ń tanra wa jẹ ni. Ẹni tó ní sensitive skin mọ̀. Ó mọ̀ pé mo ní sensitive skin. Tí n bá ti rọra ẹlòmíì tó bá ti rọra lo nǹkan kékeré báyìí. Èmi tí n bá stop one of my routine in a day, ẹ máa rí face mi. You will see the difference. Ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ nìyí, aṣọ́bìnrin tá jẹ́. Most people forget that our cycle, our menstrual cycle also affects our face. So ẹlòmíì during menses or during ovulation ló máa wá lòun fẹ́ gbé makeup overnight. No, you don't. Our skins are more prone. They are more prone to
all these things,
all these things during those times, those 3 to 5 days in here.
Okay, the
during
menstrual
period.
cycle.
Exactly, during the
Okay.
menstrual cycle. So it's not those times lower magbe makeup 24 hours. So like I always say, study your skin yourself. And if your work, you banker may have to wear makeup from morning to night.
Okay.
What is your makeup? What is your facial game? What are you using on your face?
Daily routine.
Daily
what
routine.
Are you doing on
Yes.
your face every time?
Exactly.
Yes, man. That thing. The question brought us to this. How often should we take a bath? Like, mama say, òyìnbó ní brush daily ni. Mo lè fọyín lálẹ́. Mo lè. Ẹ mọ̀, àwọn obìnrin dẹ̀ tún máa ṣe nǹkan kan tó yẹ pé tá a bá ti jáde ńlé àníwẹ̀ láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ yìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́.
Ìrọ̀lẹ́.
Ó di bóyá bí ẹ ṣe tó máa wẹ̀ pọ̀ la alẹ́ yẹn ó tún lè gbàgbé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Mo kúrò jáde láàárọ̀ la.
Ìpẹ́ tó bá ti dáwọ́ láti máa ti jáde máa wẹ̀ papọ̀.
There's a thin line between ọ̀bùn àti mi ò ṣe nǹkan kan.
Okay.
Because
ọ̀bùn.
as obìnrin generally, even apart from skin, I mean, normally as women we have discharge, we have all these things that without anything you have them. Ó wá ní pé wá jí láàárọ̀ wá wẹ̀. But if we are talking about the skin, I tell people you bathe in the morning.
Okay.
Before when you wake up, either you go anywhere or not, bathe, because gbogbo kini tá ń lò yìí náà ó bó ṣe máa ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn, gbogbo face wash, gbogbo face cleanser, gbogbo body wash, if you don't take your bath, how do you want to use them? So you use these things in the morning and at night before you sleep, because and sweat we are here.
We are here.
So we sweat. So even either you sweat or not, whatever the temperature of the day is, take your bath in the morning and at night. And if you can take anyone during the day, by all means, but at least twice in a day is fine.
Oh my God. Like, I'm just
enjoying it. For real. It's kind of. Oh ma, ẹ ṣé gan ni ma. Before we continue on this program, please, I want to tell you again, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Before we commence the program, before we continue, let's go for a commercial break. Thank you.
My name is Moji Afolayan. You can subscribe to Melag TV. It comprises of music, news, and movies. Check it out.
Yeah, for your fantastic movie, news, music, subscribe to Melag TV.
welcome back, viewers. Skin care.
Okay.
Yes, skincare. Like, the program is just so many eye openers for we women. They shitty that something I would not even most of things like that. I don't really know much about it. But viewers, please don't forget to subscribe.
Hi.
And it doesn't consume your data, just a kilobyte.
Yes.
You just click on your notification button to get notified when we have a program like this. And follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Melag
Motion TV.
Melag
Motion TV.
Ma, we have just a few questions left to ask you. Ma.
Okay, ma.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Ma, is it compulsory to moisturize our skin, our body? Like, to moisturize our body, is it compulsory? Scrub
It's not compulsory, but it's necessary.
Okay.
Let me put it that way. It's not something that you must do, but it's something that it will be good if you do it. And like I said, depending on the skin type.
Okay.
Some people have very dry skin. In fact, if it's possible to go around with your moisturizer.
Okay.
As in, for someone that has very dry skin, to avoid cracking. But some
Okay.
people have normal skin. Normal skin, still moisturize to at least rejuvenate your skin. And some people have very oily skin. Oily skin, moisturize to, but know your product.
Okay.
There are products for each type of skin.
So whether to determine when to moisturize, like when we are in dry season, in rainy season, like you said, people that have dry skin, so that it won't.
No, either we are in dry season or rainy season.
We must
Always moisturize your skin.
moisturize.
But like I said, depending your moisturizer, your skin type will determine your moisturizer.
Okay.
But always moisturize your skin. You can't just leave it after opening the pores, after using skin exfoliator to open the pores. You can't just leave it like that. You have to feed something back.
So like just said now that we have to keep moisturizing our skin. Like probably in a day, how many times do you feel we should moisturize our skin?
Or let me
buttress that. Is it only when we scrub ourselves, when we exfoliate?
Okay.
After that, now only anytime we do that. Is that when we should?
You moisturize your skin daily.
Daily.
If possible, twice.
You scrub or
okay, that's what I
not?
want to
Either
get from
either you
that.
scrub or
Scrub or
not, you
not.
moisturize
Okay.
daily.
Moisturize
If
daily.
there are people that they use other people use, there are some people that they are like, okay, I want to brighten my skin, I don't subscribe to it,
Okay.
but it's not advisable you use it in the morning.
Okay.
Moisturizer
Okay.
comes in the morning and at night.
You said earlier before we go on the fourth break that we should take water
Yes.
Yes.
and vegetables.
Yes.
That it
Vegetables.
helps
Exactly. Tells the skin.
the skin. Yeah, and it is very important for us to moisturize our body.
Yes.
Ma, we really appreciate your time.
Really appreciate you,
I
ma.
enjoyed myself.
Wow. Well, that's so good to hear.
We are happy you
To
honor
have you.
our
Yes.
program. You are here. You're so happy. We appreciate your time. You're coming to enlighten us because so many things that won't call oríṣiríṣi tá a mọ̀.
Láàmú bẹ́ẹ̀
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí
ni,
obìnrin,
bẹ́ẹ̀
we don't care.
Yes.
Just move around. Kọ́tọ́rọ̀ mi bá ti ṣe jẹ́ kí n ṣe. Mami kìíní kan ṣe jẹ́ n ṣe.
Okay.
Àjọ ń gbélé ni. Ẹ jẹ́ fún mi lórí yín. Orí mi
Jẹ́
ti
sáré
tó.
fi para.
Jẹ́ fi para.
Okay. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, ma.
Nǹkan tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún Táyé kò lè ṣiṣẹ́
Chef
fún
Kehinde, people need to know that. Ma, please, in conclusion, can you help us advise the audience on how to take care of our skin, maintain us, I'm not talking about the audience now, how we should maintain our skin.
Especially for the
ìtọ́jú
women.
ara wa. Especially àwọn obìnrin, bá ṣe máa ṣe ìtọ́jú skin wa.
Number one thing tí mo máa ń sọ fún everybody that asks for this kind of question is water. Water is really underrated. Take at least 3 liters of water every day and come and as in you can even write it in the comment section anyway that I took 3 liters of water for 1 month and this is what happened. And if nothing happened, write it too.
I'm sure they will do that.
At least 3 liters of that's like 6 sachets of water. Water does a lot of things in the body. It brings out a lot of things and it keeps some things in check, even the skin. People believe that water is just for kidney. No, water is even for the skin. That's one. 2, personal hygiene. Some people take èmi ò fẹ́ pupa, èmi ò fẹ́ ṣe kíni kan títorí you are now just, and a lot of people are wọ́n ya ọ̀bùn all in the name of mi ò ṣe anything sí skin èmi èèyàn pupa ló máa ń ṣe nǹkan kan sí skin.
No, àwọn ẹ̀ta ti dúdú ò
àwọn
nídìí
ta
orí ti
dúdú
tó
ò nídìí kíni. No, you take like I said something the other time pé ẹlòmíì kò rántí last time tó change bed sheet ẹ̀. Ẹlòmíì bed sheet kan yẹn náà ló ń lò for 1 week. Kò kúkú dọ̀tí àbí brown ni.
Okay.
Kò ṣe kó dọ̀tí.
Brown.
But bed sheet yìí náà ni pé a sweat sí sweat máa gbẹ a ṣe whatever sí ó gbẹ síbẹ̀ and we are still putting our skin on it and ẹlòmíì tó bá yẹ pé ẹ ti listen ẹ wá ní pé okay mo exfoliate báyìí you have exfoliated your skin, you open your pores and once your pores are opened it's very easy for infections to come in. So you change your bed sheet at least once in a week. Normally, me, I tell people change your bed sheets every 3 days. But if you can't do it every 3 days, pay for bed sheets every time. Your pillowcase. If you can't change your old bed sheets, change your pillowcase every 3 days. Story pillowcase la magboju si. At least bed sheets are short session wash also. But your pillowcase, change it every 3 days. Don't be lackadaisical about your skin. This our skin is us, is our clothes. We look good. You don't have to. You know, some people believe that until I look lighter, no. You can be dark and still be glowing. What are you eating? What are you sleeping? How are you taking care of your skin? Taking care of one's skin is a very good business actually. It's a business on its own. You are not any cash, but at least you are any compliment, you are any good looking. So that's my advice. Whatever your color, whatever your complexion, whatever your age, as a woman, take good care of your skin.
As a woman, take good care of your skin. Yeah. Thank you, Ma. We really appreciate you, Ma. We appreciate your time spent with us. Viewers, thank you. We really appreciate you for listening to us. Really appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget, yes, babe. That is very, very important. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram. Follow us on our Instagram, our Twitter, and our Facebook at Melag Motion TV. Thank you. Ma, afẹ́bẹ̀rẹ̀, ṣé tá bá fẹ́ bí aláwọn tó fẹ́ kọ́ṣẹ́ àbáwọn kan wà tó bọ́ ṣe ń wà báyìí àwọn díẹ̀ sá lè fi pa àwọn fẹ́ kọ́ṣẹ́ ìbọn bí a bá ṣe ń as in being a skin therapist so bí a ó láwọn kankan kí ni ṣé ó ní time duration tá lè fi kọ́ stuff like that and again ṣé àyè wà fún àwọn tó bá fẹ́ kọ́ iṣẹ́ yìí láti wá kọ́.
Yes, we train people. We train people in skin therapy. In fact, we train more than skin therapy. Spa therapy generally.
Okay.
Everything you can do in spa, we train people.
Okay.
And depending on time when your bashi, tó bá ṣe wà open-minded sí.
Okay.
Alẹ́ ni tó jẹ́ wípé in 1 month, ó ti good to go.
Pick.
Adẹ̀lẹ́ ń lò mí tó jẹ́ wípé in 6 months.
Ó ṣì
Ó ṣì wà nílẹ̀.
ẹ̀.
Ọlọ́run dá wa differently, but
Exactly.
we take students
Okay.
and we don't discriminate. And either you spend 6 months or you spend 1 month is the same thing you pay.
Okay. Ẹ ṣé gan ni ma. We want to ask ma, tí bí irú ètò yìí tá bá padà pè yín, ṣé ẹ máa lè jẹ́ wa?
Definitely.
Like mi ṣe pé definitely ẹnìkan like ṣé inú yín máa dùn láti wá. And again na dẹ̀ tún fẹ́ kí lẹ rí sí iléeṣẹ́ Melag Motion TV.
Well,
And,
I like the how do I call it? The horror in the place. I felt so welcomed. Everybody were just, I felt like a celebrity.
Wow.
Cabo man. So definitely never pay me okay next week go Kimabo.
Wow.
I'm here. I enjoyed myself actually.
Thank you.
Melag Motion TV.
Yeah.
Melag Motion TV.
Yes.
Melag Motion.
I'm definitely coming back, Seb. Not can I invite me go Makmeramiwa.
Okay, wow.
You're welcome.
Good to hear that. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome,
Really appreciate you, ma.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma.
We appreciate your time and everything, all what you've put us through, like the
Yes.
end, what you've enlightened us about. It's
Yes.
really a nice opener.
It is.
Melag Motion TV, we say thank
We
you.
say thank you, ma.
Thank
Really
you
appreciate
to
you, ma.
Melag Motion TV.
TV.
My name is Moji Afolayan. You can subscribe to Melag TV. It comprises of music, news, and movies. Check it out.
Yeah, for your fantastic movie, news, music, subscribe to Melag TV.
Mo dẹ̀ lérò pé ẹ̀yin ará ilé náà gbádùn ètò ìbémi náà ṣe gbádùn àti ìkejì mi.
Gbádùn.
Ṣé wàá rí kékeré ṣì lélẹ́yìí o? You see you next time, same day, next week. Ní orí ètò wa Femenine swag lórí abala mìíràn tó tún máa tún dùn ju eléyìí lọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Thank you.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Yes.
Instagram, Twitter,
Yes.
and also subscribe to
our
our
YouTube
YouTube channel. Yes, that is
It
very
is
important.
very important.
Just click on the subscribe button
Yes.
and click on the notification button.
At Melag
Motion
Motion
TV.
TV. See you. Bye.